Uniswap might dip 1.3% by August 3, according to CoinLore. Let's begin by exploring the most recent market direction. As of this moment, Uniswap has gained 0.9% and is holding near $4.165. Let's jump into what Analysts project. According to CoinLore, a downward push to $4.11 by August 3 is likely, dropping around 1.3%. Uniswap might move down to $4.15 per coin price forecast. That's about 0.4% lower than now. Traders Union notes it might move higher toward $4.17, roughly 0.1% up. A different analysis from CoinDataFlow shows Uniswap could progress toward $4.21, roughly 1.1% higher. And in closing, Gov Capital highlights a rise to $4.292 by August 3 with a 3% gain. This is the most profitable forecast reviewed. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a decline of 1.3% to a rise of 3%. Based on these forecasts, Gov Capital stands in first place with 3% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could earn between $1 and $30 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, Traders Union's forecast carries a 95.1% probability of hitting the target. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've mapped out a consensus path. From the consensus perspective, Uniswap appears steady around $4.186. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. The consensus estimate points to growth of around 0.5%. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 0.5%. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $5 in gain. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 94.1%. Moving on, let's explore how analysts expect the price to behave in the next 3 days. CoinLore suggests the direction is clearly higher. Coin price forecast points to a sideways outlook where Uniswap drifts without meaningful progress. Uniswap is projected to gain further, Traders Union also suggests. Similarly, CoinDataFlow anticipates the price heading north. A bullish track is similarly suggested by Gov Capital. The consensus view drawn from all analyst opinions highlights an upward trajectory for Uniswap in the days ahead. So, when all forecasts are considered, the majority outlook highlights Uniswap moving in an upward direction. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. In the end, yesterday's record shows a close at $4.087. In this round, most forecasts aligned with the actual market move. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by Gov Capital. Let's set the results out step by step. 4 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle span. Speaking of ROI, gains appeared across several forecasts, and Gov Capital came out ahead with 2.7%. Now showing the performance check, how each analyst's forecast matched reality. In today's review, Traders Union presented 88.5% forecast probability, accuracy, and a return of 2.5%. Look closely and see if your pick matched the real outcome. Let's see how tomorrow's forecast-based returns vary between Uniswap and several others. The highest potential return goes to Cardano with 3.1%, while Uniswap stays below the leader. For now, Uniswap is analyzed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The wider profitability comparison is already posted on my website. That's the end. Subscribe and keep watching how new forecasts compare each day. Bye for now.